Are you or someone you love over the age of 60? Then this video could be a game changer. Today, we're revealing 3 meats seniors should absolutely avoid, and the 3 healthiest meats you should be eating instead to protect your heart, support your muscles, and boost your energy. Let's get started. Part 1. 3 meats seniors should never eat. 1. Processed meats. Bacon, deli meats, hot dogs. These might be convenient and tasty, but they're also loaded with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives. Regular consumption of processed meats is linked to high blood pressure, heart disease, and colon cancer risks that rise with age. Seniors should avoid these altogether or treat them as an occasional indulgence. 2. Fatty red meats. Ribeye, lamb, sausages. While red meat contains iron and protein, fatty cuts like ribeye or lamb are also packed with saturated fat, which can increase LDL bad cholesterol and strain the heart. Seniors with heart issues or high cholesterol should limit these meats and choose leaner options. 3. Fried or breaded meats. Fried chicken, chicken nuggets. Frying adds unhealthy fats and calories. Breaded meats are often processed, high in trans fats, and low in nutrients. These can lead to weight gain, inflammation, and joint issues, especially harmful when mobility is already limited. Part 2. 3 meats seniors should eat. -1. Skinless chicken breast. This is one of the best sources of lean protein, low in fat, and easy to digest. It helps maintain muscle mass, supports immunity, and is incredibly versatile. Grill it, bake it, or slice it into salads. It's a senior superfood. 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. Not only are these meats rich in protein, but they also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are proven to reduce inflammation, protect the brain, and support heart health. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week for maximum benefit. 3. Turkey, especially lean or ground. Turkey is low in fat, high in zinc, B vitamins, and iron, nutrients vital for seniors' energy, metabolism, and circulation. Choose roasted or ground turkey over deli slices for the healthiest option. Bonus tips to get the most out of these meats: cook them without frying. Opt for baking, grilling, or broiling. Pair them with vegetables and whole grains to balance your plate. Always read labels for sodium and additives. Even with seemingly healthy options, your health is in your hands, starting with what's on your plate. Avoiding the wrong meats and choosing the right ones can make a massive difference in how you feel and function every day. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more senior health tips every week.